Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. There are always a large number of reports from users stating that they find vertical lines on iPhone screen. This is an old problem that has been existing since iPhone 4, and the color of the lines may vary from red, black, blue or purple. It could result from physical damage and software problems. In today's video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. A force restart is similar to taking out the battery and putting it back on. It is going to completely shut down all the apps and programs running on your iPhone. Whenever you see there are lines across the screen, you can fix it easily by hard rebooting your iPhone. After the hard reboot, the lines on the screen may disappear. To hard restart your iPhone, follow the tutorial. Press the power and home button on your iPhone simultaneously for around 30 seconds. You will feel the vibration of the phone, then it will turn on. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press the sleep or wake and volume down buttons at the same time until you see the iPhone turn back on. iPhone 8 and later iPhones. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the power or side button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 2. Clean phone screen. It might seem ridiculous, but in some cases, iPhone screen lines vertical problem are caused by things as little as water drop or dust. These things can be difficult to notice when you have a screen protector on the screen. If the water drops or dust get stuck between the screen and the screen protector, it is natural that there will be vertical lines across the screen. Therefore, you might as well remove the screen protector, clean the screen with a cloth and see if the lines have gone. Solution 3. Cycle charge the battery. Essentially, cycle charging means charging the battery to 100%, then using it until it drains to 0%. When the phone is charged to capacity again, the vertical lines might disappear. Solution 4. Update iOS software. This issue may result from the bugs of some outdated iOS version. A user complains to us that vertical lines on iPhone 5s screen and simply updating the system works. We understand that some users may think that iOS updates are useless in general, but that is not true. Except for the updates of new features, iOS update often contains bug fixes, which is very important to the normal function of the iPhone. To do this, open Settings app, find and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update available, install and download it. Solution 5. Use the professional repair tool JioShare Ultra Fix iOS System Recovery. The strongest advantage of this program is that it is able to repair iOS issues, including the phone screen vertical lines, without any data loss. Besides, the software will put your iPhone into recovery mode with one click if the lines on the screen are so thick that it blocks the screen. You can also use the advanced mode to restore the iPhone to its normal state. Firstly, install and launch JioShare Ultra Fix on the computer. Next, plug your iPhone into the computer and press the Enter Recovery Mode button. After that, press the Start button to proceed. You are now in the mode selection window. To avoid losing data, choose the Standard mode and press the Next button. Some of the info about your iPhone will be displayed on the screen. Make sure all the information is correct and change the wrong parts. Then press the download button to download the matching firmware package. Lastly, click the repair button. The downloaded firmware package will be unzipped and the program will start to fix the vertical lines on your iPhone screen. A few minutes later, the repairing process will finish and the lines on the screen will disappear. Solution 6. Factory reset. No matter is purple vertical lines on iPhone screen or other colors, this way may help you. A factory reset will be needed in the way. In this process, your device is wiped clean and returned to its original factory settings. All your data will be lost during this process. Before restoring your data, ensure that it has been backed up to revert to factory settings. Open Settings app on your iPhone. Find and tap on General. Scroll down to bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Erase all content and settings. To confirm the factory reset, you will need to enter your passcode. Follow the entry of the passcode and clicking OK. Now the erasers begins. Ensure that the factory reset is completed by giving the device some time to do so. You should check whether the vertical lines have disappeared after restarting your device. Solution 7. Ask Apple support. As we mentioned in the beginning, the vertical lines on your iPhone screen are usually a sign of physical damage to your hardware. If you see the lines after dropping your phone, it is very likely the screen or the motherboard is damaged. In this case, letting the Apple technicians fix the hardware damage will be a lot safer than repairing it on your own. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.